Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. And today I'm going to show you how to redesign of this kind of design, and actually this tutorial is based on questions from our friend Mallare. She was asking about where can I make logo like this. Alright, so actually this kind of design can be done in Canva, but with some element need to be combined. Alright, so actually I did already mine, and I'm going to break down how I execute this kind of design with all elements that Canva provides already. Okay, so before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Saramaha, come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So you guys who are not yet have a Canva Pro account, you can click this link over here. I was affiliated, and if you use this link over here, I will get some tokens from Canva. Canva Pro account is just to smooth your way and to get access all the element when you are designing something. Alright, without further delay, let's go straight to the working area, and this is all the element that I use and I'm going to break down. So the first one is in here is font. Okay, so this font name is DECALOTYPE black font. So later on, all this element in here I'm going to attach on my video description so that you can copy paste just in case you're going to make the same thing. Alright, so circle shape. So this circle shape over here, I get it from the element. I just click here, so there's lines and shapes, and just click show, and you will see here circle shape. So this one is colorable. You can change the color, you can adjust, you can make it small and big, and you can change the color as well as you like, and you can even give a border weight right over here, and even you can erase the inner color by just click these tools over here, right? So this is where I get all these element of this circle shape. And the border, yeah, this border, as I mentioned before, that actually this border is coming from a circle shape, and I just click this border style and I slide forward, and as you can see, so the border lines over here, it will appear when you are sliding forward this one, and you can make it thin, thicker, and more until 100% over here, right? So this is where I get these border lines over here, and to eliminate the color, inner color, is just press these tools over here. That's the place where I can get these lines over here. And this one is frame, so I get this one as well from element. You just type frame and it will come here, it will appear, and just get it right to insert photo later on. So this photo you can insert in here, so the photo in circle. All right, next is yeah, the name of it is a trapezoid down shape. Okay, so click this one, and after that you just pull up and down. Okay, and to get the size, you can make it small and reduce by doing this. Okay, so you just follow all the steps. How do I make this one? And I do believe after following the steps you can make it. Alright, so this is the shapes that I use in here, trapezoid down shape. And the last one, I think is, yeah, this one, shadow. Okay, so this one, this element here, its name is round inner gray shadow. So you can go to element and type, yeah, round inner gray shadow. So it will come over here. Okay, so this is the shadow that I use in here to give an effect shadow later on this design. Alright, so this is all the breakdown element that I use in here. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, to get this one, so our goal is to have this, but before we get this, the final one, we need to get all these things and we need to match the size. Right, so I get this circle shape and I copy paste and put on top of it here. To get this one done, we need to copy paste this circle to cover the original file and reduce transparency. So to get transparent about the design, now we need to put this line over here, the border, and put on top again and try to cover. And to have exactly position, I need to reduce the transparency. Okay, if you're not sure yet, so you can adjust this border lines over here. Okay, and after this one, now we need to get another one, the thin border lines over here, and put on top and move a little bit and just put until it cover. Okay, now we get a right position. And next is the font. Okay, so font, I arranged already the font, and this font curve you can arrange. Okay, you can arrange this font curve over here through effect. So you need to click the font first, click effect, and now you can play over here. Okay, how you would like to bend the font. Okay, all right, and this one not yet, and I'm going to put it here and arrange a little bit, right? And next one is to get this one, trapezoid down shape. So as I mentioned, that you need to get from lines and shape, and this one put in here. I'm going to let you know, and right, I pull up and down so to have the correct size. So I need to cover. Okay, I need to match this design. Yes, and put and so on. Okay, until it get done, until all things covered in here. And guys, I'm not going to speed up this one, and I'm just like to make sure you guys know, okay, the steps in here. It is not so difficult, it's just easy. You just need patience about this. Okay, I need to group this one and change the color, become white. Okay, and just a little bit. And this one, I'm going to put it back transparency to normal, and even though this one to normal again. Okay, now we got a little bit, we can imagine that this is later on that we're going to use it. So I changed all the color become pink because this is the secret here later on, and this is the key how to get this one later on here. Okay, all right, so I think there's no problem with this because we already know the steps. And now next I'm going to the next step here. So make sure the background is white, and make sure as well this one is pink color, and this one white, and you can follow all this one. Please prevent using other colors yet because it may not work. All right, So this is the secret over here, how to eliminate later on this white color, right? So to have a transparent later on. Okay, so we need to download and just click share. Make sure you choose download it and PNG and click current page. So current page is number 3. So this one you can click done and now download it. So I'm not going there because I have already on my library all this element in here. So this is because I already downloaded, and now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to change the color. So to let you know guys, now click edit image and background remover. So this is the benefit of having Canva Pro account, because you will get all facilities inside this Canva. Alright, so we got this font now transparent and this one transparent, and this color still remain. Alright, so don't worry about this, because our aim is just to make it this one transparent. Okay, so after we get this one transparent, now we are going to change the background color, right? As I mentioned here before, this is smooth wooden background, because in here, as we can see, this is this original file using wood background. Okay, wood background, right? So I changed the background already, so from white, and now I'm going to use wood one, and after that change this color again, become black. Yeah, click this image and edit image, go to duotone and click it one more time and change the color, become black. Okay, so now we're almost there. So to get this one here, we need to cover. Okay, to cover around this element black. Okay, so I use a circle, right? I use the circle lines over here to cover surrounding of this element until it cover all. Okay, until it cover all. Right, so I'm going to cover this one and this one too. Okay, so that we can get this later on, right? So you just I use this element from here. I use this square elements and change the color, become white. So it is easy, right? And do the same thing until it cover all the areas and until like this. And after this, we need to download again and make sure you use a PNG, and now current page to download it. And I'm not going there anymore as well, because I already have this kind of design on my library. So I'm just going back there, and now we are going to take it. Okay, so this is the element that we just downloaded. Now we need to click edit image again and background remover. So once again guys, this is the benefit of having Canva Pro account. All access, you can get it now exactly. Okay, so it erase the background. After the background is gone, make sure if there is still something here remain, you just click erase and do erase, and after that done and apply. Right, okay, so as I mentioned before, so this is our final aim, and to get this one. After we get this one, now we gather all the things. Okay, Okay, we got this one already here, ready, and now I'm going to put in here. Okay, all right. So I will just give separations from this so that we can make another one. How to execute this kind of design. Okay, so first of all, we need to go to edit image and shadow. Scroll down and go to the shadow, drop shadow, or if you like to see all the options of the shadow, just click see all, and here drop, and I choose bottom, right, and angle and transparency as well. Okay, now we are good to go so far, and after that we need to get this brown, this circle shape to put behind. Okay, so we need to put this one behind and change the color, become brown, and positions all the way back, and you can adjust this element. So we are almost there, guys. Alright, and a little adjustment over here, and yes, here a little bit adjustment. Alright, so we got the shadow and we got all these things. Now we are going to have we need to get the frame and put it in the middle. So before we put this frame behind, we need to get the image to insert on this circle one, and now we need to adjust a little bit. After that you can drag it, okay, and a little bit bigger. Now you can drag and put backward time. Now we're almost there, guys, so we need just to arrange a little bit this one. Okay, all right, so we need to put this one shadow around this. Okay, make it bigger, so the shadow over here. Okay, shadow over here, and after that the background. So I'm going to get this background and put in here and replace the background. Now we there's some more adjustment. I need to get this position backward. Okay, and this one on the top as well. Yes, it's already. And move a little bit and do some adjustment. All right, guys, so guys, I think I almost done, and I hope this tutorial is useful and helpful for you guys. So if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe the channel to support, and if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching this tutorial. That's fair enough. Alright, guys, so as I told you, this is the final design, so it's not so difficult, it's easy. I'm done, and yours is just the beginning. If you follow all those steps, and I do believe that you can make it after watching this tutorial. If you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support, and if you don't like to get any notifications, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching. That's fair enough. Thank you guys once again. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your time. Keep continue to design and practicing. See you again. Bye bye.